How to add shoe size in Amazon shopping. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can add your shoe size. First of all, open the application. Now here on the bottom, you can see a profile icon. Simply tap on the profile icon. So here we are in this profile. On the top, you'll be able to see a profile icon. Tap on it again. Again, simply tap on this profile icon. So we are in this account settings now. On the top, you can see clothing and shoes. Simply tap on this drop down and here slowly scroll down. Here you'll be able to see the option called shoes. Simply tap on it again and tap on add. Here you can enter your shoe size. So here you can even see the width that is available. So select the shoe size and here select the width. And at last simply tap on save and you can go back. So the preferences and suggestion will also come according to your shoe size. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.